everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to substitute as we deal with algebraic expressions. So substitution is very key in algebra, is to replace the number with the letter that is being given to us. Now here we have the value of x. We have if x equals 8, wherever there is x, we are going to be putting 8. Like in this position, there is x, so we will put 8. So we write 8 squared over 2, or 8 power 2 over 2. We have seen powers or exponents in our previous video. So if you have not, you are just coming in, you can check on our lesson on exponents. So 8 power 2 means 8 times 8, then out of 2. This is the same as 64 out of 2, which is going to give us 32. So this is going to be our final answer for this expression. Let's look at the next example here. We have x minus 6 out of 2 squared, or 2 power 2. So we'll still put 8 where x is. We put 8. So because we are dealing with substitution, we put the number 8 where x is. So in this case, we'll put 8 minus 6 out of 2 power 2, and 2 power 2, we have explained it as 2 times 2, which is going to give us 8 minus 6 is 2 out of 2 times 2, that is 4. We can reduce this to the simplest form by dividing by 2 here and dividing by 2 here. This is 1 out of 2. So in our next example, we are going to do something that is a little bit expanded. So here it is 3 into brackets x plus 12 out of x plus 4. Now in this case, what we are going to do is to again put 8 in that place and put 8 in this place in our next step. So we'll have 3 into 8 plus 12, all this out of 8 plus 4. This is going to be, now this is going to be something, a knowledge from Pedimas or Bodmas. We deal with the brackets first. So 8 plus 12, that is 20. So we'll write 3 into 20, or 3 times 20, out of 8 plus 4, which is 12. So in this, we are going to have our answer as 3 times 20, that is 60. 60 divided by 12. And in the multiples of 12, we have 60 5 times. So our final answer is going to be 5. So in the comments section, I would like you to put for us this answer. Simplify this and put your answer in the comment section. See you in the next video.